we surf those waves.
There's another car.
Oh my god!
Flash flooding along Victoria's Great Ocean Road has left caravan parks submerged and cars swept out to sea after thunderstorms and heavy rain battered southwestern Victoria.
The roads are closed over there. I could probably get the cabin with people.
Now all the caravans are about to get flushed away. Yeah.
Residents and tourists in the region faced a massive cleanup effort on Thursday night, with some unable to return to their belongings and some areas covered in mud and debris.
Looks like that windscreen's broken.
People in Wye River, Kennet River, Cumberland River, Lorne and surrounding areas were urged to take shelter on Thursday afternoon after heavy rainstorms hit the area. Footage posted to social media showed up to 3 cars swept out to sea in Wye River, while several others were stuck on bridges or submerged in floodwaters. Separate videos on social media showed caravans submerged in floodwaters in the Erskine River in Lorne, where the only supermarket was forced to close until further notice. CES teams are assessing the extent of the flooding there. The State Emergency Service, SES, said they had no reports of injuries, but officers had to assist people trapped in their caravans as floodwaters inundated the caravan park. A number of people were forced to evacuate to higher ground, and one person may have been evacuated to safety by helicopter. Air and ground ambulances were at the scene, but it was not immediately clear if anyone required treatment. Alistair Drayton of the SES said the intensity of the rainfall was beyond anything authorities had ever seen before. A rain gauge in the Entcally area, west of Lorne, recorded more than 170 millimeters of rainfall in the 7 hours from 9 a.m., the highest 24-hour rainfall total for the area since records began in 2000.
All the caravans underwater. That's our friend's caravan. The roads are closed over there. I could probably get the cabin with people.
Although the SES stated that the worst of the storm had passed by Thursday afternoon, rain is likely to persist in the area for some time. Motorists are being urged to avoid floodwaters. Local residents Peter and Bronian Jacobs, who live on a property in Separation Creek, described the flooding as the worst they have seen in more than 70 years of living in the area. Flash floods hit the Australian state of Victoria, sweeping cars out to sea. Severe storms in the Australian state of Victoria triggered flash floods on Thursday, forcing the closure of the country's famed Great Ocean Road, sweeping cars out to sea, and cutting off power to thousands of people. Authorities have issued an emergency warning for towns along the Great Ocean Road, a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful coastal scenery. The warning states that extremely dangerous conditions are being caused by severe thunderstorms and flash flooding.
Oh shit. Totally helpless.
Authorities are urging residents to stay indoors and take shelter away from floodwaters. Large sections of the Great Ocean Road have been closed in both directions. Local media reported that several cars were swept out to sea and 6,500 homes experienced power outages. Rescuers are helping people trapped in vehicles after floodwaters inundated a caravan park, the state emergency service told us.
Oh my god!
The Weather Bureau recorded 166 millimeters, 6.5 inches, of rain since 9 a.m. in the nearby Mount Cali area. This comes days after the Great Ocean Road was closed due to bushfires that started amid a severe summer heat wave.